You don't need a diet to lose weight. Small lifestyle changes are all it takes. Why is keto so popular? Keto lifestyle improves cognitive function, mental clarity, and reduces complications associated with high cholesterol, diabetes, epilepsy, Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and even cancer. What is keto? Why does it work so well? The ketogenic meal plan is high fat, moderate protein, and low carbohydrate. By reducing carbohydrates, you reprogram your metabolism to burn excess fat for fuel rather than using the glucose. The low-carb intake helps to keep your sugar levels from spiking. This allows your fat cells to begin releasing fatty acids, which your liver will then break down to produce ketones. When your body begins to break down these ketones for energy, you are then in ketosis. What are the benefits? In addition to rapid weight loss, studies have shown that keto has all kinds of health benefits. These are just a few. Confidence. As the pound starts to drop, you will begin to realize that you are capable of. The nice thing about confidence, if you gain a little, it compounds and compounds in all areas of your life. Increased energy. When you begin to burn ketones, you will find that you have an abundant supply of energy that you didn't have before. Ketones are a far more effective energy source than glucose and pack of punch. Mental focus. Because your body is no longer reliant on glucose, you will not experience the sugar swings and crashes. This helps you to stay alert, focused, and increase concentration. Decreased appetite. When you have inconsistent sugar levels, your body will be looking to correct it. When this occurs, you consume carbs to increase energy. This starts a never-ending cycle of eating and crashing. When you switch over to running on ketones, you'll have consistent energy and no longer have those moods and energy swings. Slows the aging process. When restricting carbs, your body releases hydroxybutyrate. This prevents internal stressors inside your cells. As a result, this reduces the rate that cells break down. People are extremely confused about keto. Most people were doing it completely wrong. It was time to simplify things for everyone. It was time to create just one effective, easy-to-follow program that would make every step of keto as simple as possible. Guess what? It took off like a rocket and spread like wildfire. Who will enjoy Complete Keto? The Complete Keto is designed for anyone looking to lose weight, that love tasty food, and wants to quickly drop the weight. And not just a little weight. Keep it off months and even years after they lose it. Follow a program that is enjoyable and easy. If this doesn't sound like you, then this program is not for you.